Food manufacturers rely on freezers to preserve their products. These freezers often use ammonia or freon refrigeration systems, which can struggle to keep up with changing production requirements. Linde developed the NITROBOOST add-on refrigeration technology to augment the performance of existing freezers on demand and help manufacturers meet their production goals. With blast or shock freezers, delays in reaching the target operating temperature can compromise productivity and adversely impact the quality of foods exposed to warmer temperatures for extended time. The NITROBOOST BL system is designed specifically for blast-style freezers. It installs easily and increases refrigeration capacity, enabling the freezer to reach its target operating temperature faster. Spiral and tunnel freezers can struggle to maintain target temperatures when processing runs are long, production throughput increases, or outdoor temperatures rise. Faced with these challenges, food manufacturers have to settle for lower productivity or risk product quality issues as a result of inadequate freezing. Designed especially for spiral and tunnel freezers, the NITROBOOST ST add-on refrigeration system installs easily on the existing freezer to maintain the operating temperature within the target window. Let's take a closer look at how it works for a typical spiral freezer. The NITROBOOST ST system detects when the freezer is warmer than its target temperature and triggers a flow of liquid nitrogen. The liquid nitrogen is piped from the outdoor storage tank to the NITROBOOST coils. The air circulating in the spiral freezer is cooled by contact with the ultra-cold NITROBOOST coils. The nitrogen is always contained within the piping and vents directly to the outdoor atmosphere. The NITROBOOST system is economical. It turns off nitrogen flow when extra cooling power is no longer needed. NITROBOOST BL and ST supplemental refrigeration systems enable manufacturers to increase production and meet temperature targets without having to invest in expensive new freezers or facility renovation. They install with minimal downtime and require no changes to the normal operation of the freezer. NITROBOOST technology. Does your freezer need a boost?